last morning here in Hanoi. It's 6 a.m. We've just been dropped off at the Hanoi Opera House. We're waiting for our shuttle. Today we're headed to Ba Bay National Park, and this starts our 12-night journey of the northeast area of Vietnam, so looking forward to that. We asked our hotel here in Hanoi for help with transport getting up to the national park, and she was adamant that there's no buses. It'll cost $180 to get a private driver, but as it turns out, we reached out to our hotel in Ba Bay. They sent us the link. They said, we have shuttle service, we have private driver, whatever you need. So we went ahead, we booked the private shuttle to leave at 6:20 a.m. They're picking us up here and we'll get the journey started. We've made it here to Ba Bay. We're staying at the Legend Hotel, which is just outside of the national park, but I believe it's perhaps one of the only hotels in the area. Most of the accommodation here are homestays, and for $18 a night, we're pretty happy with it. So after checking in and having a nice lunch at the hotel, they were able to arrange a motorbike for us. So they already had it at the hotel, which was really nice. And we just have a half day today since we got in just before noon. So we are going to check out the cave and then maybe also a waterfall, depending on how far it is. We weren't sure if the Hua Ma Cave would be worth the detour, but it completely surprised us. For all of the walking we do and all of the stairs that we climb, I'm still out of breath every single time. Oh, it looks like a baby. You're a puppy! You're a puppy! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's such a cute face. Yeah. Say hi. So this is self-guided, and as you can probably tell, there's lights on the key structures here. The path winds past towering limestone formations, delicate ridges, columns that look almost architectural, and flowstone that seems to pour from the ceiling like frozen fabric. The falls themselves are small, layered, not dramatic, but steady. The kind of place that doesn't ask for attention, but holds it anyway. Surrounding it is a patchwork of farmland and quiet homes. This part of the region is mostly Thai and Zhao communities, and it feels deeply local. No one's trying to sell you anything. Kids wave from doorways. You just pass through gently. This morning we are going to start a tour of Ba Bay National Park. So we arranged it through our hotel. It's, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 hours today, and that includes transportation, boats, trekking, getting out and about, so looking forward to it. Ba Bay means 3 lakes, though in reality it's one continuous body of water. It stretches across limestone cliffs and thick forest, fed by rivers, underground springs, and the rhythms of the rainy season. This part of the country doesn't see much tourism. There's no flashy infrastructure, no boats blaring music, just mist on the water and the quiet shape of the mountains holding everything still. So far, I have to say, it is really, really beautiful. It's still a really nice day to be out on the lake. I've not seen one other boat, so if you want to get away, this is the place to go. It's the largest natural freshwater lake in Vietnam, tucked inside a national park that's home to over 1,200 plant species and hundreds of rare animals. But despite all that, it still feels mostly untouched. We've made a stop here on a little sandy beach. Sand and pebbles, I would say, but I spotted something at the end that I wanted to check out. What do we think this is? It looks like an egg from a distance. It feels heavier. Like it could be a stone. Now, it's not sunny today, so I'm not sure that it comes across on the camera, but the beach has quite shiny little pebbles in it. It's kind of like abalone. I hope I'm saying that right. It's like what we have at the bottom of our pool to make it shiny and shimmery. Our boat drifts past wooden homes, chickens wander down the water. There's no real divide between lake and land, just a gentle rhythm that everything seems to follow. Eventually, we reached Hua Ma Cave, a natural tunnel carved straight through the limestone. It's over 300 meters long, with ceilings that stretch nearly 30 meters high. Swallows and bats nest in the dark above. With the soft echo of water, it feels like a quiet passage, linking one world to the next.
Food.
Let's see.
It's for food.
Okay. Oh yeah, so they'll sell like in the markets and stuff?
Yes, it's snail.
Like, wow, cool. Above, the mountains wear a thick coat of trees, their shapes blurring softly in the reflections below. The path underfoot is soft and damp, splitting the flooded fields where slender green shoots reach up through glassy water. Right now we're just walking through a local village. We've walked through these newly planted rice terraces, likely as of yesterday. They were planted. You can still see the feet prints of them walking through the fields. So this is definitely entering their new growing season. They would have already harvested. And I believe in a few months the rice would be really mature. But what was interesting is that you can see down into the fields right now, and they also grow snails to sell for food. And there are loads of tadpoles also, so that's really interesting.
It's old enough. This one is a leaf of the bitter melon. It's a white bitter melon.
Yeah. There's a stillness here that pulls you in, like the whole valley is breathing slow and steady, inviting you to do the same. We paused for a simple lunch before heading toward the sound of the waterfall. The trail led us into cooler shade, with fresh forest scents all around. To end our time on Ba Be Lake, we visited An Ma Temple, a small, peaceful temple sitting on an islet in the middle of the water. This temple holds deep meaning for the local people, a place where tradition and spirituality meet the quiet of the lake. Surrounded by the water and forest, it feels like a calm heart at the center of this vast landscape. After a day exploring Ba Be, there's something grounding about returning to a family-style meal and the slow rhythm of village life. This place isn't flashy or crowded. It's quiet, steady, and full of small moments that stay with you. Ba Be isn't just a place on a map. It's a memory written in water and stone. A stillness that lingers long after you've gone.